What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about a dope plugin by Cableguys. Alright, let's go. Like I said, fam, in this video, we're gonna talk about a dope plugin by Cableguys, and that plugin is called Halftime. I know a lot of producers use this plugin when they're producing their beats, but me as an engineer, I like to add some funky parts to some of my beats. Also, on some of the vocals, you could use Halftime on certain parts. Hey, look, enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this plugin out. Alright guys, so we got this fire plugin, man, called Halftime. This thing is very, very inexpensive, but this thing is a beast, especially for producers, man, or if you're an engineer that like to play with the beat a little bit, or you even could use this thing on vocals, man. You got a section of your song where you want to slow it down or make it sound a little funky. This is the plugin for you, man. Let me play this beat really quickly, then I'll show you exactly what Halftime can do. Alright, that was the little portion of the beat without Halftime. Now let's cut Halftime on. There's a bunch of different settings here. We have this thing at 1 bar, mode 2 times with a fast fade in, fast fade out. Let's play how that sounds. Whew, if you got a portion of your song where you just need to slow it down just a tad, like I said, man, this Halftime plugin is amazing. Now let's try 1/16 to see if what that sounds like. Bypass. That slows it down just enough. All right, now let's go to 1/8 T. Let's switch to regular 1/8. Now let's go to 1/4. All right, that's a fourth of the speed. That's not bad right there. You got a portion of your beat, you want to sound a little trippy with some trippy sounding vocals, man. I'm telling you. It's half. This is half right here. This is regular. This is half speed. It's just 1 bar. All right, this is 2 bars. Whew, that's really, really slow right there. Here's the original. And here's 2 bars. Here's 4 bars. And this is 8 bars. That's really, really trippy right there. Now let's play a couple of different modes. So we just had it in 2 times mode. Now let's play it in 1.5 mode. So first we're going to start it at 1 bar. and have the 2x mode playing. Let's see how that sounds. Let's go to 1.5 times. This is the original. And that's 1.5. Mode 1.5. Let's try 4. Whew. All right, 4 is extremely slow. I like the 2x. You can also play with this mix button here. You can also play with this smooth knob if you want to play with the smoothness of it. So look, we heard it on the beat. Now let's try it on some vocals, man. Let's see how the beat and the vocals sound. Let's see how like I said, we heard how the beat sounded. Now let's hear how the vocals sound, man. Let's bring this halftime up on some vocals. We got some vocals right here. Let's play it without it.
I am convinced that she is a hater. Blind to the bullshit, might see you later. Floating on ice like I am a skater. Poppy gon' drape me and go like a Laker. Diamonds, ooh, shining, ooh, blinding, ooh, no tick with my timing, ooh,
let's
new body, no mileage, ooh, ooh. We hit islands now so I can show
let's
it off.
Engage this halftime.
Backstage option, boy, you can't spade up. You won't rhyme a bitch, you need pop, 2-piece stack up. Don't you turn blessed so loosely. I just like blowing up and I like games. And I like getting respect on my name. Came from the struggle, the very problem. So I like life never being the same. Hot luxuries and things. And I VVS all chains. I just inches and let them hang.
Designers, I'm fucking.
See, you could use it, man, on vocals if you just wanted a trippy sound or to have like a background vocal or something like that. You could actually use it on vocals as well, different instruments. But me, I love using this thing on beats, man. Just making different sections of a beat in a mix just sound real crazy and creative, man. That's why I definitely recommend Halftime. Yes, sir. Hey, look, man. That Halftime is crazy. I'm telling you, man, you can use it on vocals. You could use it on beats. You can use it on pretty much anything, man. It'll just add a dynamic aspect to some of your recordings, to some of your mixes. Do you guys use Halftime? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Let me know exactly how you guys are using it. And let's just help each other grow, man. Hey, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's your boy Gels, baby. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.